Okay, in this video, this video is going to be a short one, just for us to walk through like what is our authentication flow going to look like in this case. So in this case, we would have this mem class. Okay, first of all, the schema, because we need to specify what are the things we support, like what are the things we're actually going to do. So one of the things we'll be needing here is the code, then the credits. So by default, we are going to like set some like a credits to this by default. But then note that this is like the main data model. So you would still see a model for creating new entries here, which is what you will need. This is where you need to set your schema, that like what you're expecting the user to send to you during a post request. So in this case, you would, right now, we are not expecting anything. That's why you see we are using type.pick and then the schema from above, and we're not picking anything from it. So if I hover on this, you would, okay, it's not going to really show that, but yeah, you're not picking anything from this. So so in this place, you can change this. You can in fact rewrite this, in as much as you don't remove this, what this one represents. If you don't remove this, you can rewrite this to be like a new schema on its own to define what you want it to do, and so on. Same thing with the updating of existing entries. In this case too, same thing. You can specify what you want to allow. Then you have the query properties, where you specify like what can be queried, if that makes sense. So in our case, we would like to have like let me see if I have. So we like to have like code, right? So we want to have like a code. That code will be automatically generated, and then we have credits, and then yeah, I really don't know what else until we get to the subscription part before I might figure out what else we need to add. But for now, I think this works. Then we can store like when this was created and when it was updated. Yeah, note I'm using I'm using underscore here because I think it's best practice to kind of, for your SQL columns, you keep them like snake case. So I can't remember what else to add here, and I mentioned that I want to keep this light. So but let's say this is just typically what we'll be needing. So we need codes, credits, update, created that, updated that. Honestly, I don't know what else for the meantime. But yeah, we'll figure that out as we go on. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you, and